Bonjour tout le monde. Je m'appelle Patrice. Vous allez voir un Français qui parle anglais. Je ne suis pas très bon en anglais, mais c'est pas très. So my name is Patrice Brossier. I'm from Airbus, and first I will start by why Airbus here in EM Tech, new technology, new stuff, and so on. I just want to explain that Airbus, the industrial, the manufacturer that you well known, had changed. We have done our own digital revolution, and we have introduced what we call Skywise, the beating earth of aviation. And you will see that it is not only for Airbus, it's for the whole aviation industry. So, before, in aviation, everything was split into silos. Engineering guys was speaking to engineering guys. Manufacturing department was talking with manufacturing other department, and maybe from time to time. Customer services, customer support, they were having their own information system, their own silos. So within Airbus, we have really understood that it is time to change this. At Airbus, we think that it is really important to discover the value of the data that is integrated in all our life cycle. But it's not all. We believe that we can do it for the whole aviation industry. We believe that it could be done for our customer, also, of course, for our supplier, and all the whole aviation industry. But this challenge, what I will show to you, it's not something in a lab or stuff like that. It's something real. It's why we have created Skywise. Skywise, and I will read the sentence, an open digital platform for the aviation industry. Open means it's not only for Airbus, and it's not only for, I should have introduced myself, I'm from the IT department. It's not only for IT. You don't need strong, specific skills to work on Skywise. So we believe that providing a huge amount of data that come from our internal ecosystem, and could be data coming from drilling engine in the Saint-Éloi plant, Saint-Éloi factory. If you are from Toulouse, you should know that we have a factory in Saint-Éloi, in the city center of Toulouse. But also, we believe that we can merge and we can bring value for Airbus and the whole industry with airlines, data, and so on. So we have created Skywise, and we believe that we can create share value for Airbus, aircraft, supplier, and so on. How we have done this? We'll say it's quite easy. You just set up a platform, a big data platform, and that's it, you run it. You see that it is not easy, not so easy. So data, we first need to collect them. And you all know that when we speak on limited set of data, it's really easy. But when we need to collect data from the whole ecosystem of a company like Airbus, where internally we have more than 5,000 applications, imagine the complexity to do this. And when you need to also collect data coming from our supplier, coming from airline, coming from aircraft, it's even more complex. So we have done this, and we collect all this data in what we call a core system, foundation. That's it here to break all the silos that was here 10 years before. We open the data to everyone, to every Airbus employee can access to Skywise. Imagine, 5 years before, it was really a nightmare within Airbus if you were an engineer with the willingness to access to in-service data, stuff like that. Not possible. Oh, yes, maybe possible in a few months and a few. Do you have budget? Was maybe the first question. So we have completely changed this. So thanks to this platform, we can build some application. This application, they are here to solve operational business, operational issue that we are having. And it is here to demonstrate value for airlines, suppliers, lessors, and Airbus. So this is the Skywise platform that we have set up. And it's not a dream of an engineer, it's something really live, but if you are working within Airbus, you can use it. You can use it, but also it's open to our client partners, airlines, and so on. They can build their own application. Of course, there is partnership that need to be established between Airbus and them, and so on. Something that I want to highlight, it's the connectivity. It's written here. 400 was the number of parameters that Airbus was able to collect, let's say. Only 2% of the available data of an aircraft, when an aircraft flies, only 2%. Thanks to work that we have done with Rockwell Collins, we put in our single-aisle aircraft something that allows to collect a huge number of parameters, you see, 24,000 parameters, all the data that are available within an aircraft. So this is live, and today we have more than 1,000 connected aircraft. Imagine the number of data that we can collect. But we collect the data, I explained at the beginning, to demonstrate value. We have demonstrated internally that thanks to Skywise, the platform, we can create data for the design office, the operation, the support and services. The first application that we have done was for A350. A350, it was 2 years ago, I think, something like that. Yeah, 2 years ago. We are starting Airbus to build, not really, to industrialize the production. We are facing some difficulties, as it was normal for an industrial as Airbus. And thanks to the platform, thanks to Skywise, we have significantly removed all what we call the non-conformity and also the time to solve this non-conformity. Aircraft operators who has taken at least once a flight, an aircraft, who has been in an aircraft before. Yes, many. Are you happy when your aircraft is on the ground? No, because there is some delay and so on. And as a customer, okay, EasyJet again, because I will speak about EasyJet. Their aircraft is on the ground, and it's again, I will have some delay, I will arrive late at home, and so on. Thanks to Skywise, and thanks to the works that we have done with Skywise, and it was only on a limited set of aircraft, only 84 aircraft. We were able to predict around 80 failures. I mean, really predict what's happened. Thanks to this prediction, we were able to discuss with EasyJet and to explain them, hey, you should better do this maintenance right now on this airport because you have all the equipment, all the team able to perform this maintenance. Instead of having your aircraft on the ground on a very small airport where you have no team and so on. It's what we call predictive maintenance. So this has been done, and it's solved more than 44,000 hours of let's say unscheduled aircraft on ground. So we'll see that as a human, as a passenger, thanks to Skywise, you were not stuck in the airport and so on. And what I really want to insist is that this was only possible thanks to the platform and the team that we have put in place. And it is really open to the whole industry aviation. That's it for me. I think if you have some questions afterwards.